Now we have to discuss about the transition diagram of the Turing machines. Here we have to explain the obtain the computation sequence of M, that is Turing machines, for processing the input 0011. If you see that Q1 is the initial state and Q6 is the final state, and here if the Q1 read the input symbol, that is 0, it will replace 0 by X and it will move to the Q2 state, and the read write head move to the right side. So if Q2 read the input symbol 1, and it will replace by 1 Y, and the read write head move to the left side, that is L, and it will move to the next state, that is Q3. So that's all for the transitions diagram of the Turing machines. Now we have to explain that how the Turing machines processing the 0011. So suppose the first state 0 in the Q1 state and read the input, that is 0. After reading this input 0, it will move to the Q2 state, and 0 is replaced by X. This 0 is replaced by X, and the read write head now move to the right side. So now 0. So the instantaneous description as per our previous discussions, alpha, beta, gamma, where beta is a Q2, and now read write head is on the this 0. So the corresponding alpha is X, that is left hand side is B. So alpha is a Bx, Q2 is the current input state, and the beta is a 011B, where 0 is a current input symbol under the read write head. So this is a transition diagram, and now we have to give an explanations how it is possible the computational sequence read as follows. And here the input is 0011 and the initial state is Q1. So Q1 read the input 0, it will replace 0 by X and move the read write head the right side. So here X is replaced by X, sorry, 0 is replaced by X, and now the right side. So now 0 is the current position of read write head. So here, so the corresponding alpha is Bx, and the beta is 0, sorry, gamma is 011, and the 0 is a current symbol under the read write head, and Q2 is a current state. After getting that input 0, when it is Q2 state, so Q2 reads 0, it will replace 0 by 0, and it will move the right side, and so here this 0 will be replaced by 0, move right side. So now the current position of the read write head is 1. So here is 1, right? So the corresponding alpha is x0, and beta is 1 1, sorry, gamma is 1 1, and the beta is Q2 in that instantaneous description. And in that way, we'll reach that the last move where beta xxyy beta blank blank, that is b xxyy blank blank, but now is the reiterated is the last blank, and it will check that q6 state, and the q6 read the blank symbol. So what will be the transitions here? So q6, after reading the blank symbol, here no transitions are given, but we have to check that the q6 is the final state. Yes, q2 is the final state. So the given input string 0011 is accepted by this Turing machines M, right? So first we have to check that there is any transitions of the current input state. If there are no current transitions are given for the for that input state, so now we have to check that this current state is final state. If this state is final state, so this input string like 0011 is accepted by this Turing machines M. So if you have any query, you just mail me or contact in my phone number. Okay, thank you.